Welcome to Backyard Plinking. My name is Charles. I'll be your host as we go through and explore everything BB and pellet related, from air pistols to air rifles, targets, and ammo. Yeah. You know. Anyway, a little test set up over here. This all came from a conversation that I had with a fellow when I was on my hiatus, recharging my batteries. And he and I got to talking, and one thing led to another, and we were talking about modern firearms and air guns and stuff like that, and said, oh yeah, I got one that's a tack driver. I mean, I've used that same phrase, and you know, some people that wrote to me say the same thing. Of course, I wasn't trying to be anal retentive, but the thought didn't pop in my head. It actually came out of my mouth, and then I thought about it. I looked at him and I said, okay, what kind of tacks? You know, are we talking about thumb tacks, or little push pin tacks, or we're talking about just regular roofing tacks? And the guy looked at me and went, what? Just normal tacks, I guess. Thought it was worth testing. So, got the second camera set up right over here behind this tree, focused in our mobile backstop with a heavy wood backing, and we've got a lobby. I've already lost one. Anyway, we got a little push pin in there, a thumb tack, and a regular roofing tack. They were nice enough to leave a bunch of these after they got through putting my shingles on. Thanks. This is what we're going to use. This is the CROSMAN custom that my better half got me for Christmas. You guys have seen this. Use this one because it's the Williamson sight that's on here is super spot on. So if I miss, it's all on me, and I probably will. We're going to use some 14.3 grain CROSMANs. This is how my brain works. I'm talking about a push pin. I'm talking about a thumb tack. If I can hit it and drive it in, you know, with the other camera focused on it. But why would you use those? Well, it's a hollow point. Small hole in the end. If I hit it just right, it should drive it in there and disappear. Or at least look cool when I miss it. One of the two. So we can get the other camera turned on, get set up. Brand new CO2 cartridge in here. We're going to see if this one's a tack driver. Alright, so kind of cheated just a little bit. I moved closer. So, how can you see that? Well, it's all in the placement. The thumb tack is white. Roofing nail shiny. Those right over there in a point. That's where our little push pin is. You can see it in the other camera. So let's try, just to get our bearings, the roofing tack first, because I don't know what's going to happen. I might hit the back of this thing. If I miss, fine, is what it is. They might fall out of place. If I hit it and it drives it in, that's even cooler, but you know, it could knock something loose. I mean, they're just in there enough to hold them. A little high. All over it. Let's try the thumb tack, which is going to be up and to the left. A little high. I can tell you, I mean, these things are hard to see. Stacking the pellets in there anyway. Wish I could do that on a regular basis. Well, at least the thumbtack is scared to death. He'll never be the same. Yeah. See if we can get one on the little push pin, which is down and to the left. Close, but no cigar. Just knocked the end off of it, but scared him completely to death. Now we're getting somewhere. Takes a few rounds. I'm a little rusty. Been on vacation, for God's sakes. I think we drove to tack. See what we can do with the white thumbtack. Well, I think we hit that one. Sorry, took me a little while. Get rusty when you don't do this all the time. I'm going to go take a look real quick. I mean, we got the second camera zoomed in on it. Let me see for myself. Well, technically, we did drive a tack. Kind of missed on the little push pin tacks. But, I mean, that's... maybe I need to practice a little more. Of course, our thumb tack is a direct hit on the end, and it kind of whopper jawed the thing. It did driving in there some. It wasn't a direct hit, but we'll work on that too. Guess that's what they mean by a tack driver, huh? Anyway, till next time, my name is Charles. It's been Backyard Plinking.